If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says Upload Blocked, don't worry. This is usually a file name issue and it's very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to get your file uploading again, step by step, without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's understand what's happening. This error often appears when the file name is too long for OneDrive to sync properly. Sometimes the problem is not the file itself, but the total path length, which includes the folder names leading to that file. So the goal here is to make the file path shorter and easier for OneDrive to handle. Start by opening the affected OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Find the file that is giving you the Upload Blocked message. Once you've located it, right-click the file and choose Rename. Now give it a shorter name. If the name is very long, try removing extra words, dates, symbols, or anything unnecessary. Keep it simple and clear. After that, press Enter and wait a few seconds to let OneDrive try syncing again. If the error is still there, try renaming the file one more time and make it even shorter. Sometimes just trimming a few characters is enough to solve the issue. For example, instead of a long descriptive file name, use something compact and easy to sync. Once again, press Enter and check whether OneDrive starts uploading correctly. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is moving the file to a simpler folder. Open the folder that contains the file and see how deep it is nested inside OneDrive. If it's buried inside several folders, OneDrive may struggle with the full path. Select the file and move it closer to the main OneDrive folder or into a folder with a shorter path. Then wait for OneDrive to resync and see if the Upload Blocked error disappears. You should also check the folder names leading to the file. Long folder names can cause the same problem even if the file name itself looks fine. Right-click any folder with a long name, click Rename, and shorten it. Use simpler names where possible and repeat this for any folder in the path that seems too long. This can make a big difference, especially if your file is stored several levels deep. Another good fix is to remove unnecessary words from the file name. Sometimes files get saved with dates, version numbers, or long titles that aren't needed. Right-click the file, click Rename, and clean up the name so it's shorter and easier for OneDrive to process. Then press Enter and give it another moment to sync. If the desktop app still gives you trouble, try uploading the file directly from the OneDrive browser. Open OneDrive in your web browser, go to the destination folder, and click Upload. Select the file from your computer and see if it uploads successfully there. This can help confirm whether the issue is with the local sync path or just the file name and folder structure. In many cases, one of these simple changes will fix the Upload Blocked error right away. The most important thing is to reduce the file name length and simplify the folder path. Once OneDrive has a shorter, cleaner path to work with, the sync usually goes through without any issues. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.